What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Now, let's talk about something that's very interesting, and I thought I need to make a video about this like ASAP. I wasn't going to make any videos this morning. It's currently 6:54 a.m., and I decided I'm going to make a video because this just crossed my mind. Everything that happened yesterday was not the best thing for the crypto market, right? A lot of speculation, depending what type of speculation, can lead to negativity. Even positive speculation can lead to negativity because if it doesn't play out, then it ends up falling down hard. Look in the case of XRP, right? Where you see November 7th and things that happened there. If it didn't play out and you thought the best case scenario was going to be just the settlement, but the worst case scenario happened where it's like, we're sending this to trial, we're sending this to the final decision, and we're ready to take this to the Supreme Court. It's like, who really thought that that was going to happen? It seemed like you were getting closer and closer to a settlement with all of these different things. Now, when it comes to Bitcoin, when it comes to the crypto market, there was definitely a setback yesterday. We saw this, right? Where we had the SEC, or at least a statement saying that the SEC is going to reject all Bitcoin spot ETFs, which definitely caught a lot of attention because the market really collapsed. Bitcoin was down by like 10%. Others were down by like 14, 15%. Some were down by 20 or even more percent. They were down by a lot. Everything collapsed. My portfolio went from 33,000 down to 26,000. That's how much that these collapsed, right? XRP, Jasmy Coin, Farmcoin, and the ones that I'm holding, ADA, Solana, everything really fell pretty hard, and it was all because of this. So I want to talk about this because if the SEC is serious about this, and if it truly is the worst case scenario, this could honestly be the rug pull of the decade when it comes to cryptocurrency. So let's talk about this. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to sign up for HG Access, we have a bunch of different YouTubers that are coming together for live streams, different conversations, newer plays, micro cap, mega cap plays, whatever we see as an opportunity we're bringing to the table as a collective group. Feel free to check out that link down below, sign up for HG Access, or at least become a free member, see what they have to offer, and you'll be able to see all the different benefits that do come with it in the short time that it has been available. We have over like 400 public members, and you have like 30 signups, so it's definitely growing, and it literally just got started on the 1st. So also, make sure you guys check out Margex if you guys want to start trading with leverage. You can trade with 100x leverage, up to 100x leverage. I'm currently trading with an $18 play in Bitcoin that I have a $35 gain with, or 194% gain, almost 200%. So I'm trading with $18, and it gave me 100x, which was $1,800 that's there. So absolutely phenomenal. Definitely check out this platform. I really, really like it. You can buy and you can short the market if you feel as though things are coming down like it was yesterday. And I made money on that short. I also made money on the bounce. That's just how things go if you can find a platform to do so. So feel free to check out Margex. The link is in the description. Now, let's talk about this because the crypto market, like I said, crashed yesterday. And some people may not call it a crash, but I call that a crash. If we see over 5% and everything in the market is bloody, that's exactly what a crash is. Doesn't mean that it is people will call it a flash crash, and it was. But that's not something that really has keywords on YouTube right now. But either way, it was a crash, right? So we saw Bitcoin that was down, we saw everything that was down, and we finally saw the bounce back. Now, the reason why that happened was because of the SEC basically saying, look, we are not even the SEC. It was basically just a statement that was out there that said that Gary Gensler is not for cryptocurrency at all. And here we go. We have this part where SEC Chair Gary Gensler is not embracing crypto in the US, which we all know he doesn't want to embrace crypto, even though he taught a class on like blockchain or something like that, which makes no sense. And it might even be a very long shot to expect that he would vote to approve Bitcoin spot ETFs. There's been far too much, he said, quote, there's been far too much fraud and bad actors in the crypto field. So basically what he's saying is that, he's not embracing crypto. He's not for crypto, even though he said, Bitcoin is the way, everything else is not. And maybe that's a way to pump Bitcoin, I don't know. But this right here has been proven that everything that has come out of all of these meetings, all of these discussions has been it's been positive, right? Where you go, the video that I posted yesterday, Watcher Guru had a post on Twitter that stated there's been nothing but positive things that have come out of these meetings to approve the Bitcoin ETFs, not to deny them, not to reject them. So with that being said, it shows that this was kind of just a stunt, right? A little bit of a stunt. But what if it wasn't? Now, I'm not saying that we should all get concerned. I'm just saying, what if it wasn't? What's the scenario to where this does get denied and now we see it kind of strung along for a couple of months before it actually gets approved? Are we now looking to see negativity off of these positive pumps that we're supposed to see? And honestly, it has my eyes open, because I wouldn't put it past the SEC to completely rug pull the entire crypto market, all retail investors, because retail investors are in it right now. And what you saw was a shakeout. You know, going from 45,000 to 41 or 40,000 instantly is to liquidate as much as you can. And we saw the liquidations, which was over $500 million worth of liquidations, meaning that people got liquidated. They're not holding Bitcoin anymore. They're not holding Ethereum. They're not holding all of these other, like, they're not holding those positions because they got liquidated. So it's eye-opening to me, because I wouldn't put it past the SEC to do this. And I don't want them to do it. Don't get me wrong. I don't want to create any type of FUD. I don't want them to do it. What I want is to understand the extreme negatives, the extreme positives. If you understand those, you get in a better situation for yourself. Just make sure that you protect yourself in the end, because having all of your money trading in leverage is not the best case scenario, no matter what it is. Now, I know that wealthy people make money by using other people's money to do so, and that's the risk you take if you wanted to take that route. But I don't suggest that you throw all of your money into that leverage play, because things like this could happen. No way did I think that my position would get liquidated. I invested $7 at that point. It was at like 41 or something, or 42. And my liquidation price was at 41. It ended up hitting that liquidation price, and I didn't even get a chance to hit my stop loss as well. My stop loss was above that. And it pushed past my stop loss, which didn't get filled because it ran right past it. Like, completely went from here to here. And it was like, what? They had no chance to actually put in an order for what that was. Do you know what I mean? So it was definitely a difficult situation dealing with that. But if this is true, if they are going to just do what they did with the settlement, or do what they did with the XRP settlement, or do what they did with XRP when it comes to whether it is a security or not a security, and basically saying, look, we're going to appeal, and then they get it denied. They say that they could still appeal afterwards, after the whole trial is over, and then you see no settlement that comes of it, the settlement that's pulled, even though they were looking to settle, and Ripple got upset. It seems like I wouldn't put it past the SEC to do something like this, and I want to prepare us for the worst case scenario. And then if anything better than that happens, then we're golden and we'll be prepared for it. So that's kind of where I lean. But if this does happen, this would be like literally the rug pull of the century, because it would definitely pull the crypto market back down. I don't think it would hurt the crypto market in the end. I think it would just bruise the crypto market, and we would see kind of some negativity for a little bit in 2024, which we expected nothing but positivity. But the SEC can change that. It shows how more money, or big money, can change that. If they go to somebody and they're like, look, we're about to put out an article, or we're about to publish this, you sell, you sell, you sell, because we don't want you to get hit. You end up selling. Now retail traders also react, and it's just a shakeout, and they end up getting back in at a lower price, or getting more at a lower price. Guys, let me know what you think about this. I know it's all like conspiracies and stuff like that, but I want to prepare people for what could be the worst, what could be the best, and what could be in the middle. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out HG Access as well as Margex if you want to start trading on Margex. But yeah, it was definitely a hard day yesterday, and I think we all are trying to recover from that because going from 33,000 in my account down to 26 in a matter of minutes was a little ridiculous. So, anyways, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.